These are the Rokid glasses, and I wanted to know how good are they in real life. And after a week of testing them, here's what actually stood out and what didn't. The first thing we need to talk about is the design, because at first I wasn't a fan of it. First time ever trying these. I guess it makes me look like 50% smarter. Oh, it's talking to me in Mandarin and Chinese. And English. The battery, the tech, everything still has to become smaller to make AI glasses look less bulky. But maybe the tech can make up for it, right? Two things still are fine: weight and comfort. They are super light, but what really surprised me were the nose pads. They are actually quite big, and because of that, they spread the weight much better than normal glasses. No pressure points even after wearing them for hours. To control the glasses, we can use a touchpad, which is here on the right side. Here we can just swipe to the left and to the right. If you swipe to the right, we will go to the settings, where you can see you've got quite a few options. The first one is the brightness, and I'm actually impressed on how bright this display can actually get. Sometimes you just swipe and the music starts playing because it thinks you click, then you have to just pause the music again. Okay, so with the double tap, you go back to the menu, and to select something in here, you just have to tap once.
Translation has started.
Can you say something in Polish?
Dzień dobry.
Good morning. Wow, okay. Voice translation actually is one of my favorite features of these glasses, so let's try it out in real life. For that, we navigate to Home and Translation. All we can set up here is the detected language, which is on auto, especially if we use the online translation, which I really recommend, and the language we want to have it translated to, which for me now is English. Let's confirm it. It's time to try the translation. We're going to my favorite bubble tea store where they speak Vietnamese, and I will speak German. So let's see if the Vietnamese translation on the glasses actually works. And I can order 2 brown sugar tapioca bubble teas in big with less sugar and less ice. Hi, 2 bubble tea, brown sugar tapioca.
Bạn dùng size to hay size nhỏ?
Big.
Của bạn hiện 12 đồng 80
Okay, Mist, das hat nicht funktioniert. Kannst du einmal auf Deutsch?
normale Suppe, normale
Ah,
Minh trả thẻ hay trả tiền mặt
Mist, hat nicht funktioniert. Ah, okay. Siehst du den Screen gut?
Ja,
Also
gut.
siehst du gut? Ja.
Ja, also
Machst du ein Foto? Ja. We've got our bubble teas, but what if this worked if he didn't speak German? I doubt it. Like, it was really funny to see the translations that worked, but most of the time, somehow it didn't work. For the parts where it did, it was really fun to see, and I could feel how well this will work in the future. On your phone, you can also start music and you hear it through the speakers. And having these open ear speakers always is a really cool experience. Navigation was an interesting feature as well, because instead of looking at your phone screen all the time, you can just look in front of you and the directions are just there.
Hey Rokid, navigate to Edeka.
Head east, then turn left.
It works. And when it works pretty well. Look at this, you've got the navigation screen, we've got the next Edeka, which is a supermarket, selected automatically. It's the train station Edeka, so it's probably not
Turn
the one
left, then turn left.
that I would choose first, but that's how it works.
Turn
And
left toward Rummelsburger Straße, then turn right.
you even get audio instructions, so it's even easier. And in the app you can easily navigate to your own destinations as well.
Now, when it comes to the camera, normally if you want to do a photo, you have to stop, pull out your phone and start the camera. And with these glasses, it's just different.
Hi Rokid, take a photo.
And that's it. Or you just press the function button, short for photo and long for video recording. The quality isn't as good as your phone camera, but it's usable. Now talking about the speakers again, music, phone calls, notifications. You hear them, but you still hear the people around you. So it mixes your digital life with the real world. For most notifications, it can actually be helpful. What made the difference for me with the Rokid glasses was this connection between digital world and real world. You get live translation, super helpful, for example, when you're traveling. You get navigation. While you're just on the go without your phone screen, you can record your notes. You have AI available instantly, so you can just say,
"Hi Rokid, what are 300,000 US dollars in euro?"
Equals 255,900 euros.
That's a lot.
That some could often purchase a lovely home in many parts of the world or fund a very ambitious startup venture. Is there a specific project or goal you are thinking about for that amount?
Rokid is the first to integrate the models ChatGPT and Gemini into AI glasses. You even get 1 year of free AI service. Currently, the ChatGPT version used is 5.0. For these glasses, you can also get a prescription frame, so you can even use prescription lenses. Another Rokid original feature are the AI shortcuts, where you can set up custom AI prompts. That's a really smart way to make more use of these glasses. What we still have to discuss is the design. So for me personally, these glasses are not something I would wear every day due to the design. When using them just personally and seeing the big advantage of the tech features, then I could wear them. But I would be really looking forward to the next generation that hopefully has a less bulky design. I think it's like 49 grams, and having so much, the music starters, and having so much tech inside this small device, not small, but this lightweight device actually is impressive. Let me know your favorite feature in the comments, and hopefully in the future we get to review a next generation of these, because this is a beautiful showcase of how powerful AI and tech overall can be used in our daily lives and integrate the digital world with the real world. See you in the next one.